Hi, in this video we will see that how you can protect your content, media stuff and rest of the things from intruders or any person or any competitor. So you will need to follow us these steps, and first of all let me introduce you to a free app. So you can do it for free. You will not charge any of the amount. So here is the app. You can see we have this app, and with the help of this app, you can even disable the uh, right click of your mouse, and you can even disable the keyboard shortcuts, and also you can even remove the controls of images, so no one can even thieve your content. I mean your images, text, and the rest of the things from your store, because most of the times your competitors try to copy your content and images and copy your idea. So let's dive into it. First of all, you need to click over the apps, and after selecting the apps, I will add this link inside this video description. You can get it this app from that, and there you will need to simply click over the install button. It will need a few seconds to load. So here you can see now it will take authentication from us. So again need to hit the install button. Now you can see the dashboard of this app getting loaded and getting prepared. So here's the dashboard of this app. So first of all you will need to click the enable button, and it will redirect to a new link. Basically this is a link of theme customizer. So here in this step you will need to enable this button for this theme, and that's it. And in order to check the status, you will need to click the app status. So you can see app is enabled. That's it. Let's check. Now let's refresh the video, and now you can see I am unable to even right click, and I am unable to get access via shortcut key of the keyboard. And you can see this is how you can protect your content. And here you can see you can not able to even select the text from this image. So this is all about how you can protect your store.